In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an organizational chart using Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. This quick guide will help you visualize the structure of your team or organization with ease. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open a new or existing Google Sheet. This will be the workspace for our chart. If you're using an existing spreadsheet, make sure your data is organized and easy to manage. Now, prepare your data. You'll need a list that includes all the employees or positions in your organization, along with their corresponding managers. It's important that this data is accurate and up to date for the org chart to function correctly. Next, let's create 2 columns in your spreadsheet. The first column should be for the employee or role name, and the second should be for the manager of that respective employee or role. Ensure that each employee has a corresponding manager entry, even if the manager is simply the head of the company, as this allows the chart to properly define the hierarchy. Once your data is neatly laid out, select the cells that contain your data. Make sure to include the headers if you have them at the top of your columns. This sets the framework for the chart and defines the data range for Google Sheets to recognize. Now, navigate up to the menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Chart. This will prompt Google Sheets to generate a default chart within your spreadsheet. You'll notice a chart editor pane appears on the right-hand side of your screen. Here, we're going to change the chart type from the default setting to an organizational chart. Within the chart editor, click on the Chart Type drop-down. You may need to scroll through the options until you find the organizational chart. Often, it can be located under sections labeled Other or Hierarchy. Once you locate it, select it to update your chart. With the org chart now visible, it's time to customize it to suit your needs. You can adjust the color scheme, chart size, and other stylistic elements to fit your preferences. Play around with these customization features until you're happy with the look of your chart. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created an organizational chart in Google Sheets. This tool can be incredibly helpful for understanding and presenting the structure of your organization, whether you're part of a small team or a large company. Don't forget to save your work and share this handy chart with your team. Thank you for watching, and happy charting!